Insta360 ONE X2. Welcome to the world of immersive 360-degree capture with the Insta360 ONE X2. This powerhouse of a camera allows you to shoot first, frame later. The Insta360 ONE X2 boasts dual 1 by 2.3-inch sensors, ensuring exceptional image quality for all your shots. Enjoy incredible frame rates in both 360 and wide angle. In 360 mode, you can shoot at 5.7K in 30, 25, 24 FPS and choose from 4K and 3K modes too. You can also opt the wide angle mode when the frame demands it. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the advanced flow state stabilization technology. Your videos will be incredibly smooth no matter the action. The Insta360 ONE X2 comes ready for your adventures with a waterproof depth of up to 33 feet. Explore various video modes including standard, HDR, time-lapse, time shift, bullet time, and Steadicam for added versatility. The AI-powered Insta360 app also offers a creative playground called ShotLab, regularly updated with new AI editing templates so you can keep discovering exciting effects. Enjoy enhanced audio with features like wind reduction and 360 direction focus. It ensures your audio is as exceptional as your video. The Insta360 ONE X2 is powered by a reliable 1630 mAh battery, providing you with an impressive 80 minutes of runtime when shooting at 5.7K at 30 FPS. Let's see what comes in the box. Elevate your storytelling with the Insta360 ONE X2, the ultimate pocket camera. So why wait? Grab yours at Amazon now.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and today let's talk about capturing every adventurous movement with the remarkable Insta360 ONE X2 action camera. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the Steadicam mode, ensuring butterly smooth videos with just one lens. Perfect for capturing moments on the move. But hold on tight, because the adventure doesn't stop there. Switch seamlessly to 360 cam mode and immerse yourself in breathtaking 5.7K clarity, offering a full 360-degree experience like never before. Thanks to flow state stabilization and horizon lock, your videos remain stable and level even in the midst of adrenaline-fueled action. And here's where the real magic unfolds. The Insta360 app's AI editing. It's like having a pocket-sized video editor at your fingertips, complete with templates and object tracking, simplifying post-production like never before. Take your creativity to new heights with the floating camera shots and manipulate time with variable speed, whether you're craving epic slow-motion sequences or mesmerizing hyperlapses. So whether you're documenting action-packed sports, immersive live events, or simply enjoying a day out in nature, the Insta360 ONE X2 action camera is built to capture life in all its glory. Get yours now.
Guys, if you're in the market for a new camera, there are several things to consider before making the purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right kind of camera for your needs. Here are some of the most common types of cameras. Instant cameras, ideal for capturing instant memories and producing physical prints. Action cameras, best for outdoor enthusiasts and extreme sports, capturing hands-free footage. Point and shoot digital cameras, easy to use and portable, perfect for everyday photography. DSLR cameras, best for professional photographers, providing advanced manual controls and interchangeable lenses. Mirrorless cameras, a newer type of camera that provides the quality of DSLRs in a smaller and lighter body. Bullet cameras, best for outdoor surveillance, providing high-quality video and images with wide-angle lenses and night vision. In addition to the camera, there are several types of lenses available as well, each with its own specific use and benefits. Here are some of the most common types of camera lenses. Standard lenses, also known as normal lenses, these lenses have a focal length of around 50 mm and are suitable for everyday photography. They offer a natural perspective that is similar to what the human eye sees. Wide-angle lens. These lenses have a shorter focal length, typically between 10 to 35 mm, and are ideal for capturing wide landscapes or fitting more into a frame. Telephoto lenses. These lenses have a longer focal length, typically between 70 to 300 mm, and are great for capturing subjects from a distance, such as wildlife or sports photography. Macro lenses. These lenses are designed for close-up photography and allow you to capture small subjects with great detail. They typically have a magnification ratio of 1:1 or greater. Zoom lenses. Zoom lenses have a variable focal length, allowing you to zoom in and out with